Now we will see our second problem. Here is our second problem. Explain with an example how irrational numbers differ from rational numbers. Okay. So here already you know what is a rational number. Rational number is the numbers which we can write in the P by Q form, and irrational number means the numbers which we cannot write in the P by Q form. Right. So now we will see that's what we will write. Rational the numbers which we can write in P by Q form and Q not equals to 0. Those are called rational numbers. And irrational numbers means the numbers which we cannot write in P by Q form. So explain with an example they asked, right? So example 2, 3 and 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and so on. And here was also example root 2, root 3, root 5 and pi and so on. So these are the difference between rational and irrational numbers. Now we will see our next problem also. Now we will see our third problem. The problem is find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more there may be? Okay. Here in the question they are asking just to find out an irrational number. That means only one irrational number between these two numbers. Clearly these are rational numbers, right? So here one formula is there. The irrational number between two rational numbers A and B is equal to square root of A into B. Okay. So if we want to calculate one number between any two rational numbers, then the formula is square root of A into B. If we want to find out a rational number between any two rational numbers, then it is mean of that two rational numbers, right? So in your previous class, we already have seen, in your 8th class, you already learned this. Okay, now here root AB. So here A means 5 by 7 into B means 7 by 9. So these 7 and 7 both get cancelled. So remaining square root of 5 by 9. So square root of A by B means square root of A and square root of B. So root 5 by 3. So what is an irrational number? Root 5 by 3. So therefore an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9 is equal to root 5 by 3. You may ask, this is in the form of P by Q, how can you say irrational number? But clearly you know root 5 is an irrational number, and dividing an irrational number we get again irrational number also. So like this we can solve. Otherwise we can solve in another method also. Now we will see that method also. This is just by using formula, right? Without formula, we can do this. So here first decimal 5/7, right? So find the value, not decimal, sorry, here the first fraction. So find the decimal value. If we divide, 7 won't divide 5, right? So I'm adding 0, and after 0 decimal point will comes. So 7 sevens are 49. So after subtracting we get 1, and here decimal point is there, so we can add another 0. 7 ones are 7, 3, again I can add 0. 7 fours are 28, so 2, again I can add 0. 7 twos are 14, so it is 6. It is non-terminating. The division will continue like that. So I can write 0.7142, right? And the second rational number 7/9. Similarly, if you divide 7 with 9, it won't divide. So I'm adding 0, and a decimal point comes after 0. 9 8s are 72. So it is more than 70, right? So 9 sevens are 63. So after subtracting also 7 will come. And here decimal point is there, I can add 0. Again 9 sevens are 63. 7 will come. So it continues like that. So 0.777. Now you just observe these both are non-terminating and okay, this is non-terminating and non-repeating, and this is non-terminating, right? So in between these numbers there are so many numbers, right? Here it is 0.71. So we can write irrational numbers between 5/7 and 7/9 is equal to, so after 0.71 we can write 0.72 something, 0.724 and so on, and 0.72 after 3, 4 and so on, next 0.744 and so on, right? So next 0.75, not only 4, we can write anything, 4, 5 and so on, and next 0.764 and so on. Like this we can write so many numbers, okay? So 0.72 after 4, 5, after 2, 3, so like this we can write so many number of irrational numbers between any two rational numbers, okay? In the question, our second part is how many more there may be. How many more there may be? They ask you to find just one, right? So there are so many irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. So our first one is just by formula we can calculate one single between number, and by using this we can write so many numbers basing on our choice. Now we will see our second question. Now we will see our fourth problem also. Here is our fourth problem. Find two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. 0.7 and 0.77. So we can write many irrational numbers. Irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77 is equal to, I can write 0.71, 0.72, 0.73, 0.74, 0.75 and 0.76. After that 0.77 will come. So like this we can write irrational numbers between two irrational numbers.